Today I'm going to be installing this 3-piece full plastic front bumper onto my Element RC Trailrunner. I love the look of the front end, how it comes just stuck out of the box, but I think this new plastic bumper will give it more of an aggressive look, which I think will look pretty sick. All the parts and screws necessary to put this bumper on come with the truck in the box right when you buy it, so you don't have to buy anything extra in order to convert this front bumper over to this full plastic one. You also get some instructions on how to assemble it all in the manual, so let's get this thing installed. There we go, we got this stock bumper piece off. There was a little bit of sticky stuff on either side of the bumper there just to hold it on a little bit tighter, but that really wasn't all that hard to get off, and I can still put this piece back on if I change my mind about the looks of this truck later on. If I want to switch it back to this more stock look, then I absolutely can do that. It'll be super easy, and I can always just stick a little glue where those adhesives were, and then it'll stick right back on, just how it did stock. So now we've just got to install this 3-piece plastic bumper. It also does come with some bumper lights here, so I'm going to throw those in as well. And there we go, we've got this whole bumper assembled, got the lights in there. Now we just got to throw it onto the truck. Before I put the body back on, I'm also going to just take off the end of these little fenders right there, just to clean up the look when I have the bumper back on. So as you can see, this brand new bumper looks absolutely incredible. I was a little bit kind of not sure if I was gonna love how it looks when I got it on there, but now that it's on there and I can actually see it all put together, I absolutely love it. It looks so sick. Hopefully sometime soon I'll have time to actually take this truck outside again for another little rock crawling session, and of course whenever I do that I will be making another video on this truck with the brand new bumper, so stay tuned for that. Subscribe if you haven't already, and if you want to see more videos about this Trailrunner right here, you can click right up here on the screen for that, and I will see you over there.